Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to create and add a pop-up page to your Elementor website in 2025. So this particular option is great for email signups, announcements, or any kind of social offers. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your WordPress admin dashboard. Now you need to hover over to the template section and click on the option of pop-ups. Now once you are here in your pop-up, you will be able to see the add new option. Now as you can see, currently it is showing me upgrade now because this particular option comes with Elementor Pro plan. So if you have it, you can simply click on the add new option and give your pop-up a name. Then you can click on the create template option. Then Elementor is going to basically load with the pop-up template, so you can choose one of them and you can also build from the scratch. Now with the help of Elementor, you can basically drag and drop the tools and add bunch of different things to your pop-up. Like you can add headings, text, images, forms and buttons. To make it full screen, you can just simply add the box style and adjust the pop-up settings as well. So you can just do it by clicking on the gear icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Once you are done editing, simply click on the publish option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you click publish, you will set when and where the pop-up should appear. For example, you can choose show it on the entire website or only on the specific pages. So once you are done, simply save and close it and you will be able to do it very easily. Now, as I said earlier, in order to do it, you need to have Elementor Pro. So in order to buy it, you can come on Elementor Pro plan and you can just subscribe to any of these plans that are available. Their popular plan is going to cost to $7 per month, so you can purchase it from here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.